Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork pie updated. Start by prepping your pork, seasoning well, and chilling the pastry before you begin assembly. Roll the pastry evenly and line a deep, greased tin to prevent shrinking. Press the filling firmly to avoid air gaps, then top with a pastry lid and seal the edges tightly before baking to a golden brown for a classic, sliceable result. Begin by combining finely ground pork with seasoning and cold minced fat to create a cohesive filling. Work the mixture until slightly sticky so it binds when pressed into the pastry shell. Pack the filling into the lined tin with even pressure to eliminate air pockets. Make a well in the center for optional gelatin, which helps the pie set and slice cleanly after chilling in the fridge until firm. Quick recommendation and a tiny detour. If you love reading while baking, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for recipe browsing anywhere with a clear, glare-free screen and long battery life. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing updated recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like it. Now let's get back to the video. Seal the pastry lid firmly and brush with an egg wash for color and shine before baking. Bake at a steady temperature until the crust is golden and the filling reaches a safe temperature. Once baked, cool the pie on a rack to avoid soggy pastry. After initial cooling, pour in chilled aspic if using, then refrigerate the pie overnight so it firms up and slices neatly for serving the next day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.